Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Tomahawk and, well, whatever it's called. Well, you know this gun. So basically it has a sight like in the Call of Duty, you know. Then you cock it, pull this back, and then fire, and then you just pull the trigger as normal. So you could buy this on websites like eBay and Amazon. Then you could buy it at local stores like, you know, Walmart and Target, for example. And I bought this at Target, so I'm pretty sure you could get there. There's also, it comes with 10 bullets. And then you could buy some other ones in packs like this for like $9.99 for 24 bullets. So yeah, it's pretty much the gun. So guys, I'm gonna let you in on something, a little secret. I think I'm gonna go downstairs, sneak up on my brother, and start shooting down his targets that I made. So I'm gonna bring you guys down. So I'll be right there when I'm ready. I'm doing it right now. Shooting down his cups.
Hey, don't put me on YouTube.
You're not. I'm shooting down your cups. That's all. I think I'm gonna shoot down your cups.
It's okay, they're already down.
Sniped it. Okay, guys, that's pretty much the video. Like and subscribe. Bye.